Amazon gadgets that you must have. This is the Spoon Buddy that turns any plate into a lid, helps open tight jars, and even works as a spoon rest so your counter stays clean. This is a stainless steel dish rack with a set design that holds plates, bowls, and utensils neatly, giving your kitchen a sleek and spacious look. This is the Snack Snatcher that lets you eat chips without getting your hands greasy, so you can snack and type at the same time. This is a 720-degree hand faucet bubbler that installs easily and lets you switch between spray modes for washing hair, brushing teeth, or face washing. This is a mini cheese storage box that keeps slices neatly stacked and prevents them from getting lost in the fridge. This is a viral electric standing desk that adjusts height with one click, has memory presets, and helps protect your back during long work hours. This is a French-style watering can that sprays a fine mist, perfect for small plants, and its retro design looks gorgeous as decor too. This is a 360-degree rotating tray that has two strong suction cups to stay securely in place while smoothly turning. This is a TikTok flip clock that displays the time with AM/PM pages that flip every minute. This is a fridge fork that clips right onto your pickle or olive jar, so you can grab what you want without dirtying a fork or using your fingers. This is a hand-cranked shaved ice maker that's super easy to use and makes fine, dense slushies. Just add your favorite ingredients and you're good to go. It even comes with an ice cube grinder. This is a hot plate that keeps your food warm with 2 temperature modes, perfect for dinner parties or warming up milk in baby bottles. This is a mini travel suitcase that's perfect for your next trip. It has 3 sections inside for makeup, brushes, and underwear. This is a set of fresh-keeping boxes designed for onions and avocados. They prevent oxidation and air leakage, keeping your leftovers fresh for days. This is a solid wood side table that unfolds into 4 lightweight stools for extra seating, then stacks right back together when you're done. This is a curved hanger that saves tons of space and protects your bags from creases. It rotates 360 degrees and fits perfectly in your closet or behind the door. This is a foldable storage trolley that sets up in 3 seconds with smooth wheels and a strong frame, perfect for shopping, camping, or your car trunk. This is a 2-in-1 whisk that switches from flat for scraping to balloon for whipping, and it folds completely flat, so it barely takes up space. This is the Pan Buddy that attaches to your pan handles to make lifting heavy cookware easy. This is a laundry grabber that scoops clothes out of the washer or dryer in one spin, saving time and preventing dropped items. If you want to buy this product, click on the Buy product. This corn stripper removes kernels with one smooth twist. No knife, no mess, quick and clean every time. Got a toddler? This lever lock keeps little hands out so adults can relax in peace. This smart kitchen sink features a waterfall faucet and built-in cup washer. Dishes suddenly feel faster and easier. These smart ice trays release cubes with one simple press. No twisting, no banging, no frustration. This rotating spice rack lets you find exactly what you need in seconds instead of digging through cabinet chaos. This clip-on silicone strainer snaps right onto your pot, so you can drain water without pulling out a bulky colander. Want a healthier dessert? This gadget turns frozen fruit into smooth, creamy, soft serve automatically. No dairy needed. This kitchen composter transforms food scraps into fertilizer in just 6 hours. This vanity organizer includes a built-in LED mirror and dust-proof storage to keep skincare and makeup clean and organized. This air fryer uses snap-tight containers so you can cook and store in the same dish. Less cleanup, more convenience. This personal ice cream maker prepares gelato or sorbet in 20 minutes. Quick, simple, and ready to enjoy. This cherry pitter removes 6 pits at once and includes a splash guard to keep your counter clean. This compact label maker connects to an app so you can design and print labels in seconds. Neat, fast, organized. This knife sharpener restores dull blades in just a few swipes and even includes a cut-resistant glove for added safety. This foldable picnic table securely holds your wine bottle and glasses so everything stays balanced and steady. This rotating jewelry box displays your collection while keeping every piece tangle-free and easy to access. It looks like a regular book, but it is actually a hidden combination safe, discreet, and secure. This button hook makes buttoning shirts and zipping jackets smooth and effortless. This microwave omelet maker cooks a fluffy omelet in 2 minutes. No pan, no flipping, no hassle. This mug clip keeps your cookie or tea bag exactly where you need it. Simple and convenient. This round ottoman doubles as hidden storage for blankets, shoes, or everyday clutter. This shoe dryer dries 2 pairs at once and removes odor completely. Fresh shoes every time. This cabinet hanging waste tray lets you scrape food scraps directly from the counter without mess. This bottle emptying kit stores bottles upside down, so you get every last drop with 0 waste. This batter mixer and dispenser lets you shake and pour perfect pancakes smoothly and evenly. And this ceiling fan screws into a standard light socket and includes a built-in light and remote control. This is a honey dispenser that releases honey from the bottom with the press of a button without dripping. This is a mini fan that has 2 speeds and it's safe enough to stop with your finger. It also has a flashlight at the bottom and even works as a power bank for your phone. This is a fridge lock box with a combination lock so no one can steal your food anymore. This is a magnetic key holder with a strong adhesive back that sticks right by your door so you never lose your keys again. This is a mini desk vacuum that easily cleans crumbs and dust and keeps your desk neat and perfect for office use. This is an instant print digital camera that lets you snap photos and print them instantly without any ink, and the prints have sticky backs so they're perfect for journaling or collages. These are microwavable slippers that you can heat up in the microwave to keep your feet warm and cozy at home. This is a self-cleaning mop and vacuum robot that glides around your house cleaning every corner, then goes back to its base to wash itself so you don't have to. This is an aesthetic cereal dispenser that releases cereal with just 1 press. This is an electric lunchbox that plugs into your car or any outlet so you can enjoy a warm meal anywhere, and it even comes with its own cup and silverware storage. These are laser scissors with a built-in laser guide so you always cut perfectly straight lines. This is a collapsible travel kettle that boils water super fast and folds right into a compact travel case. This is a hat cleaning machine where you just add water, place the hat on the dome, and it steams away sweat while reshaping the hat back to its original form in minutes. These are rechargeable puck lights with a remote that stick anywhere with magnets and instantly make your kitchen feel way more high-end. This is a piggy bank that literally opens its mouth to eat your money, which somehow makes saving cash way more fun. These are double hook shower curtain rings that let you hang your curtain and liner separately, and they glide super smoothly, so swapping them out is actually easy. This is a massage headrest that fits under any bed and is fully adjustable, so you can finally relax properly. This is a foldable car doorstep that hooks onto your car's door latch so you can easily reach the roof when loading luggage or cleaning the top. This gadget sticks inside any cabinet and secretly turns it into a safe that only opens with an RFID card or mobile app. This is a cactus-shaped container that's perfect for holding toothbrushes or makeup brushes while also looking like a cute decoration. This is an auto magic soap dispenser that releases the perfect amount of soap when you place your hand underneath so you never have to touch dirty pumps again. This is a smart home diffuser that lets you mix different scents together so your home always smells exactly how you want it to. This handheld iron has a built-in water compartment for steaming and lets you iron clothes without needing an ironing board, which makes it perfect for travel. This is a table lamp that also works as a charger, nightlight, speaker, and phone holder, and you can use 3 of those functions at the same time. This is a mini portable washer designed for underwear, socks, shorts, and baby clothes, which is perfect when you're traveling or living in a small space. This is a label maker that connects to an app so you can customize labels with icons, borders, or even your own images, and it offers tons of colorful or transparent label options. This is a robot pool cleaner that skims across your pool surface and cleans it thoroughly using a built-in solar panel. This is a motion-activated sanitizer that sprays alcohol without you ever touching it, and it works from any angle without spilling. This is a waterproof shower phone holder that adjusts to any angle so you can watch your favorite shows while taking a shower. This is a steam mop that kills 99.9% of germs on sealed floors and surfaces while cleaning them at the same time. This multifunctional brush helps you clean water bottles, tumblers, mugs, and baby bottles, and it's rechargeable with 2 speed settings. This is the SwitchBot, a tiny smart device that sticks onto your light switch or appliance so you can turn them on or off with just 1 click. This leaf collector rakes leaves as you push it across the yard, and it's super lightweight, which saves you a ton of time. And finally, this is a smart trash can that seals itself with the press of a button, senses when it's full, and even replaces the bag automatically.